this is how to duplicate a sheet in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see here, I have two sheets, how to rearrange columns and sheet number 2. And I'd like to make a copy of the first one. So the steps that I need to follow are simply right-clicking on the sheet that you want to duplicate, then select move or copy. And this is going to open the move or copy wizard from over here. So what you have to do is to make sure that in the to book dropdown from over here, you have selected the current workbook that you are on. Then check the create a copy checkbox from over here and simply select the position where you want to put this duplicated sheet. In my case, I'm just going to select move it to the end just to have it at the end. So when I hit OK, it has created a new sheet over here called how to rearrange columns 2, which is an exact copy of the first one that I had. So this is how to do it. Let me know if this was useful. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.